My job as your listing agent is to demystify the process of selling your home. So in this video, I want to talk about my 5-step process to selling your home, designed to make it as rewarding and stress-free as possible. So the first thing I try to do is to understand your why. Why are you selling your home? If I can understand your why, I have a better sense of your motivations, your concerns, any anxieties you may have, and also your needs and priorities. I can better craft the marketing language, I can better determine who the target audience is for your home, and ultimately customize and tailor the experience of selling a home to you. The next step is to tour the home with you, for me to get a detailed look at the property inside and out, which will help me craft a list of possible suggestions for things you could do to improve it prior to listing it. I offer a unique perspective in this regard because I'm a real estate investor, I'm a landlord, I've worked with many buyers, and I've been to countless home inspections. So when I'm touring a property with you, I'm looking at things that a potential buyer might notice, and also an inspector might notice. And a lot of times, simple fixes go a long way towards maximizing your sale price. The next step is to get a sense of the market value of your house. I will prepare a detailed comparative market analysis looking at what similar properties in your area have sold for. And then the goal is, once we agree on the listing details, to prepare professional, high-quality marketing material to make your home as marketable as possible, even before anyone steps foot in it. Once we go live, I'm also there to market it in person during open houses and private showings. I will tap into my agent network. My job is to get as many people through the door, especially in the first couple of weeks, as possible, because those early couple of weeks are crucial. If I've done my job well up to this point, you should start receiving offers fairly quickly. My job now becomes negotiating the best deal for you, and that doesn't always mean the highest price. The best offer means the best offer overall, because there are other important aspects that I will discuss with you besides just price. So I'm going to present you all the offers holistically and advise you on which offer I think is best based on your needs, your motivations, and your reasons for selling. The final step is to get you to the closing table in a timely fashion and smoothly. It's inevitable in any transaction, there will be roadblocks. My job is to always give you honest feedback. My job is to be responsive and professional at all times, and to help you navigate past those roadblocks and get you to the closing table. So I hope in this video, I've helped demystify the selling process. And if you have any questions about potentially selling your home, or if you're just curious about what your home is worth, don't hesitate to reach out.